Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can open the SIM tray or the SIM card slot on OPPO A60. In order to do this, we will need to use the pin that is included inside the box, more precisely inside this little box of the device. So once you take out the pin, I have my own over here. What you need to do is rotate your device to the left side, and over here we have the hole for the pin. So here we have the SIM tray, and here we need to put inside our pin. So let's do this. This is how it looks like. Once we are in, we need to push a little bit in order to take out the tray slightly. So now we can use our fingers in order to fully take it out. There we go. And this is how it looks like. So now we need to use our SIM card. And to do this, first we need to find out which side is the front. There we go. I think you can, yeah, now you can see it. So it says SIM 1, SIM 2 for the screen. So of course this is the front. So if you use just one SIM, then put it to the left side over here. So it might be a little bit difficult to put it in, but eventually it should look like this. So once we have the SIM card on the tray, we can put it back in. And there we go. We have inserted the SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.